Microsoft is taking another big step toward full AI integration in Windows 11. The classic search box on your taskbar is being replaced with an AI-powered Copilot chat box, making it easier than ever to search, chat, and get tasks done instantly. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's changing, how it works, and when you'll get it. Microsoft has announced a major update for Windows 11 that transforms the taskbar into a smart AI hub. The familiar search box is now an interactive Copilot chat bar, where you can type, talk, and interact with your PC using AI. The new Copilot chat box can do two main things. Just like before, it searches your files, settings, and apps, but now it also chats with you like an AI assistant. You can ask it to open apps, summarize text, or explain system features, all without leaving your desktop. Don't worry, Microsoft confirms this new Copilot doesn't automatically gain access to your private apps or files. It uses the same Windows search APIs as before, keeping your data secure while giving you faster, smarter results. The goal is simple, to make Windows 11 more helpful and productive. Microsoft says the taskbar is becoming a dynamic hub that helps you accomplish more with less effort, turning everyday interactions into moments of productivity and delight. And here's the best part, this feature isn't exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs. Every Windows 11 user will get the new Copilot integration. Microsoft is also bringing a new agentic AI assistant that can perform actions inside apps for you, like adjusting settings or organizing files automatically. The update is currently rolling out to Windows Insiders in the Release Preview channel, and Microsoft plans to bring it to all Windows 11 users sometime in 2026. So if you're an insider, you might see it in the next few weeks. So, what do you think about Microsoft replacing the classic search box with Copilot AI? Is this the future of Windows productivity, or just another change we'll have to get used to? Let me know in the comments below.